Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, future brawlers, to our updated guide for Brawl Stars in 2025. This game offers incredible, quick-fire matches that are super easy to pick up but surprisingly deep. You'll choose from a huge cast of unique characters, each with their own special abilities. Get ready to jump into thrilling 3-on-3 battles or chaotic free-for-alls. We'll help you start your journey right. Picking the right brawler is crucial for success. Every character has a distinct main attack and a game-changing super ability that charges during combat. Think about their role, too. Some are tough tanks, others are long-range sharpshooters, and many provide valuable support. Don't be afraid to try out different brawlers in practice mode or friendly games until you discover your favorites. Brawl Stars boasts a fantastic variety of game modes, each with its own objectives and strategies. You might find yourself in Gem Grab, where the goal is to collect and hold 10 gems as a team, or perhaps the chaotic, soccer-inspired Brawl Ball, trying to score 2 goals before the other team. Heist involves destroying an opponent's safe, and Showdown is a thrilling battle royale experience. Always understand your mode's objective before jumping in. To truly excel, always prioritize using the environment for cover. Bushes hide you, and walls block incoming attacks, letting your health regenerate. Remember to actively charge your super by hitting enemies, as it can turn the tide of any battle. And importantly, even without voice chat, use those quick communication pins to coordinate with your team. Good teamwork often leads to victory. To keep your skills sharp in 2025, always stay informed about new brawlers and any balance adjustments. The game evolves, and so should your strategies. Consider joining a club. It's a great way to find reliable teammates for competitive modes like Power League and have more fun. Consistent practice, focusing on precise aiming and evasive movements, will significantly improve your overall gameplay. Keep playing, and you'll become a true Brawl Stars champion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.